Literature review sounds scary. It's like you have to read every book ever written. But guess what? You don't need to read everything. You just need a strategy. My name is Dr. Mupfawa. Guys, if you haven't subscribed, please do so. We want to create a community here. In this video, I'm going to break down how to write a literature review step by step. No fluff, no panic, just results. So, what is literature review? A literature review is not just a list of books or articles. It's a summary, analysis, and synthesis of what has already been said about your topic. It shows you understand the research, the debates, and the gaps, and it sets the stage of your own voice. Think of it like a group chat of scholars. You are summarizing the conversation, then pointing out what is missing. Start by choosing your topic wisely. Don't just choose a broad topic like climate change, online learning. Narrow it down. Ask yourself, what am I actually trying to find out? What specific question am I answering? For example, instead of online learning, try to be specific by looking at the impact of online learning on student motivation during COVID-19 pandemic. Step number 2, search smart, not hard. Don't just Google your topic. Use Google Scholar, your library's databases, or journals like Justa and Science Direct. Use keywords and Boolean operators. For example, you can use student motivation, you can use online learning, or you can use pandemic as your keywords for the topic about online learning. Set filters. For example, last 5 years or peer-reviewed only. Save your sources with Zotero or EndNote. You don't need 100 sources. You need just enough to see patterns and perspectives. Step number 3, organize your findings. As you read, take notes. Not just what they did or what they say, but also what methods did they use? What did they find? How does it relate to your research question? And this is where your voice comes in. Create a simple table to group studies by themes, date, or approach. This makes your writing easier later. Step number 4, structure your review. Now the writing begins. Here is a basic structure that works every time. Introduction. What's your topic and why is it important? Main body. Group sources according to themes, not by author. For example, theme 1, what authors agree or disagree on. Theme 2, the gaps in research. And lastly, conclusion. What have you learned? What needs more study? You are not just reporting. You are showing trends, connections, and your understanding. Step number 5, reference and revise your work. Don't forget to cite every source in APA or Harvard or whatever your school uses, and edit like your grade depends on it, because it does. Use tools like Grammarly for grammar and clarity, Quillbot for paraphrasing checks, Turnitin, or plagiarism checkers for safety. Remember, integrity counts. Writing a literature review isn't about reading everything. It's about reading smart, thinking critically, and finding your voice in the academic conversation. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more, and don't forget to share and comment below. See you all in the next video. Bye!